Hey, welcome to Paige Family Homestead. I'm Andy, that's Peggy behind the camera. We're just showing you where the garden is going to be for next year, and we're going to take you over to the turkeys to show you the turkeys.
What about the chickens?
Hey, we can show you them too.
Okay. And the saga of the chicken and the turkey's love story continues. Either the turkey escapes into the hen yard, or the hen joins the turkey yard. Now we get to watch Andy catch a turkey. Listen to the baby cry. Don't take me from my love. There you go. This is where you belong. Look at yous. Getting so big. Gobble, 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 gobble. Hey, big boy. Are you going to puff out for us? Come on. Gobble, 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 gobble. Yeah. Aren't they getting big? We've got a few toms, I think. We've never raised turkeys, so I don't know. But he's a boy. He's a big guy. They kind of listen to him. That would be casserole. There's Christmas, and beside Christmas is Thanksgiving extended. Aren't you lucky? Aren't you lucky the Canadian Thanksgiving's done? You get to stay out a little longer. Drumstick. Yeah, listen to yous. I don't think the Tom appreciates being called a girl. Look at him. He's poofing out like he's this big man. We'll keep you the longest. You take care of them, don't you?
Okay. Okay.
Extra bedding going in. So what was the temperature dropping to tonight?
-3.
And that is Celsius, right?
Yes.
So a little bitter cold. So we're just going to make sure they stay warm tonight. When it gets really, really cold, we will put heat lamps in.
Yeah.
Don't want no frostbite. They just got some vegetable scraps, some cauliflower, some extra apple we had. Great little garbage eaters. Suki, come back this way. Chickens got their share of cauliflower and apple. Look at that chicken over there thinking, I need to get back. They don't like being separated, that turkey and that chicken. Eggs any day now, right?
Yeah.
Yeah. Any day. Oh, look, here comes Farmer Andy. We were blessed with some free straw. Enough.
One more bale up here would do it.
We need one more bale, and then we have enough to cover our spring garden, and then we will tarp it, put it to bed for the winter. So today, Andy is working across the back of the property fence line, putting the boards. Oh, what's this? The king. Putting the boards on the top and bottom and getting ready to put our wood order in. I think we're going to go with the wood and...
On the front and then the big gate there.
Yeah.
So I can plow this under next year.
I think I was videoing your feet because I can't see the monitor. Sorry. You know, no, he wears Crocs in the garden.
These are my mud clocks. For the mud.
So, at least we're getting that all put away. That's cool.
Yeah.
Ready to do some more fencing. It's a big job, the perimeter
All the way around
fence.
here, yeah.
Oh. So we're going to put our order in for the wood. Probably next
Probably
week.
next week.
Probably take a couple of weeks to fill. Got a nice Mennonite family that'll do it. And how much a board?
Oh, it's only $2 a board, $2.
Compared to?
50 cents a board for a 6-footer.
Compared?
Oh, compared to down there? Oh my God. Sky's the limit on that. And that's cedar too. Cedar doesn't rot.
Yeah.
Best way to go.
Hey, thanks for joining us today at the Paige Family Homestead. If you liked the little video, it's just a filler, give us a thumbs up. Remember to subscribe, ring the bell, ring the bell, ring the bell.
Ding, 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 ding.
Could you hear it? See you tomorrow. A lot of action coming in the very near future for inside. Maybe the demise of the carpet. If you liked the video, please give us a thumbs up. Remember to subscribe if you haven't already. And ring that bell for...
Ding, 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 ding.
I heard the dinger.